This is how you're going to make viral stage performance video with any character you want using only AI. And the easiest part, with one click, this GPT write all the prompts for us. Then we turn the prompts into an image and then we bring them to life just like this in no time. Now head over to GPT library inside ChatGPT. Search for viral stage, then click start chat. And from here you will see two options. Put yourself in the video or choose any character you want. Then you click the second option, any character you want. And then the GPT will ask you which character would you like to use, like Spider-Man, Batman, Naruto. And if you're not satisfied with these options, type more and it will give you a fresh set. And when you see the one you like, type the name. I will go with the first one, Goku Dragon Ball. And then the GPT will ask you what role would you want your character to play. Then you pick the one you kindly like the most, Goku versus Naruto, and in a few seconds it builds the whole thing. You got Goku versus Naruto as a ninja stage show, and it laid out a scene map with 5 scenes like First Clash and Shadow Clone Ambush, Goku Fire Encounter, Naruto Water Shield, and the Grand Final. Each scene comes with 2 prompts, and one is text to image prompt for the still pictures, and the other is a sequence text to video prompt that brings the images to life. First, copy the scene 1 prompt, then open Flow AI, go to image and change the output to 9:16, bump the image to 2x and paste your prompts into the box. Then click generate, and in a few seconds your image will look like this, where Goku and Naruto are facing on an outdoor ninja stage, the crowd filming on their phones. Then you go ahead, copy the second prompt, add the image like this, and make sure you do that in the entire image 3, 4 and 5. And then you quickly switch to Flow AI image to video, change the output to 9:16, bump the resolution to 1x. Flow AI makes a few versions, so choose the cleanest one to animate. Copy the first image prompt, then tag the first image, click generate, and make sure you run this a few times until the entire images are done. Now open CapCut, drop the clips into the timeline, add any background song of your choice, and then add transition, export the video. Then you will end up with a ready to use viral stage performance video like this.